the 14th of January 2026. We're at the Irish National Stud Kildare. Now I'm in the barn on the Kildare Arch with my friend Talk of Freedom with her foal by Lucky Vegas, a filly foal. This is her detail. Well, you didn't get her details the last time you were here. So this is her detail here. Here, put the camera to the document. This is her details here now. It doesn't say who she's visiting. It doesn't say who she's visiting. So, hello, girl. Hi. Am I too close to her?
Huh?
Am I too close to her here?
No, you're okay.
Don't worry, that's not a horse. She acted to them. She reacted to
Is that a horse in the open stable, maybe?
No, this is my phone.
Oh, is it?
This is my phone.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Did I hear the phone?
No, I didn't hear go off.
Yeah, what's off there? Right, I'm not fucking reacting to my phone. Right off there. Did I hear the phone go off there?
No.
You did that.
I heard a horse, but I didn't hear your phone.
Are you not too close to her here?
Yeah, not 100% sure, I think. I haven't seen the videos yet, but hopefully.
This is it. You need the camera to that.
Yeah.
Put the camera down for there. You're getting cold there, you minute.
Yeah. I got a good shot of him here.
You're getting the bars.
No, I got a good shot of him.
Hello there. Quite chilly out here today. You know that. You've got across her off in here, where it's lovely and warm. And how are you? You look beautiful, but I saw another post of you today on Facebook, or not, it was yesterday, not that you posted me on Facebook. That you're filly. Yeah, you're filly's beautiful. Hello. Am I going to get shot from you, yeah?
Yeah.
The filly's beautiful, eh? The filly's beautiful. This is her details, yeah. Doesn't say who she's visiting, eh?
Let's say what?
It doesn't say who she's visiting. It says to visit, but it doesn't say
Who? Yeah.
Decided to visit. So does that mean that she won't be visiting anybody? Eh?
No, I don't. It might mean that. Yeah, it could mean that.
That she'll be on a break?
It could be. Yeah.
I hope not. This only her second bowl.
Yeah.
This only her second bowl. I'll ask Laura. When I see Laura, I'll ask her. You hungry, girl, are you? You hungry? You waiting for your food, are you? You waiting for your food, are you, girl? You hungry? Are you hungry, are you? You waiting for your food, are you, girl? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's something in it. Lovely girl, aren't she? If I did this, I'll get a shot around it.
Yeah.
If I did this,
Yeah.
this, will I? Even this.
Yeah, get a good shot of it, yeah. Tip your head down a little bit. Yeah, there.
Over again, whole body.
Yeah, I'd say so. Tip your head down a bit, yeah.
Like this.
There, yeah. Bit more. There, yeah. That's just my best guess, Tanya. I'm not sure, right?
Hello, girl. I mean, she's gorgeous. I mean, she's beautiful. And
Gorgeous, see?
really calm. She's really relaxed now. Come closer to me.
Yeah, I can see him here.
And you come up
Got a good
closer.
shot.
Liam,
What?
come up close to me and I'm talking to him. Hello, kid. Hello, kid. Hello, kid. How's my friend? How's my friend? How are you, girl? How's my friend, hey? How's my friend today? How's my friend today, hey? How are you, girl? Hello. Hello. She's beautiful. Yeah. She's beautiful. Beautiful, aren't she? She's beautiful. Oh, she's gorgeous, Lindsay Billy.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
She's lovely, isn't she? Hello, girl. Hello, girl. What are you the name Tucker Freedom.
Yeah, it's good, yeah. I like it.
Yeah. Oh, she's lovely. She's very calming.
Yeah.
What time roughly would we need to head off?
Tomorrow,
Okay.
it doesn't really matter. Once we head off at some point in the afternoon.
The afternoon.
Afternoon, yeah.
Chilly.
Yeah, it's not near till either.
Need to check in.
It's not check-in time. No, didn't give a check-in time.
What time do you need to check
It's
out?
usually 3 o'clock.
What time do you need to check out or something?
I don't know either. Don't either. I'll ring later on, right?
You're a beautiful girl, aren't you? Hey? You're a beautiful girl, aren't you? Hey? Look at that photograph. Hardy, do you mind? On your phone? Thanks, Joanna. Where's your phone?
It's in the bag.
Oh, mean your phone?
It's in the bag.
Is it? I don't have any storage in mine. It's got sent to Anna. So I don't know. Both got it. What's the code from this one?
Huh?
Hold.
Yeah, it's gone cold, isn't it?
What is it?
Oh, cold, yeah. Other way. Hold on.
Can't see it on camera.
There you go. Might be, yeah.
Very close at the gate. I had to get that ball at the back there, but I got to have Tucker People's bones in it. Sometimes you get that on Facebook, you get Tucker People's, you get the mare's bone before at the side. You usually post like those photographs on Facebook. See, that's the only way that you can get photographs with the foal. If you know, because the only way you can get photographs with the foal is not always easy to get photographs with the foal.
Yeah, give us.
I want to send these to me, okay? That's some problem. Could you send them to me? I got a good few there. I had to take it from that angle so I can get the whole shot, because I can get the whole mare, you know, because that way it's too awkward, you know, so I was really cutting some part of her body off, you know. She's quite close to the gate. She's up with the 8 days. Hello, Jack. Hi. Hello. You going to join me, girl? You going to join me, girl? You going to say hello? I think it's that too. She's eating now, sort of like now. So she said she was I think she was hungry. I think she was hungry or something. I think she was hungry. Hungry. She's eating out there, flagging out there. I think she was waiting for food or something. I said she waited for someone to give her some food. You know? I don't think there's off around, is there? I haven't seen Laura since we came back. Huh?
Yeah.
I haven't seen Laura since we came back. I thought Laura would have been back now that they have a mayor here.
You would have thought so, wouldn't you?
I thought we'd seen Laura around. Huh?
Yeah.
Usually they see Laura or somebody here if you have a mayor, you know, and look at day out. She's the first one here. She's here on her own, on her thought. You're on your own, girl. You don't know. You're on your lonesome, girl. You have no company. We have company today. We have company with me today. You'll be going away tomorrow for a few days. You'll be back here too. You'll be back here come back here on Tuesday.
Yeah.
You will be coming here one day next week for three folks. Because
Like you have plans away on camera?
no, I'm going to say I'll be on camera. Well, I'll just say we're going away again next week. Well, it's not officially confirmed yet. Maybe. Maybe we'll go away next week. Can't confirm her getting back to you there. I got like a notification that could have been Anna getting back to me. Let's see, was that her getting back to me? I got a sound there that could have been her getting back to me about next week. I could wish this one of those. That's my camera on her message on my phone.
Yeah. That's you still working? That's you? Yeah, still recording, yeah.
Yeah, I had my camera down at my phone reading her message.
Oh.
She said she will call later on. I hope she's done that. She will call me later. She said, I was asking what she thought of it. She said it's quite cute. I'll send her this photograph later on. Would that matter?
What?
That she had the camera on the photograph.
Why would it matter?
What?
Why would it matter?
I had my camera down looking at the reading the message on my phone. Huh?
Wouldn't worry about it. There's nothing that sensitive there tonight. Yeah. 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 It's are you cold?
It's quite chilly out here.
Freezing. I'm freezing here. Yeah. It's 1:45.
We'll go downstairs.
Yeah.
Go
Okay.
down to. Don't think you're getting luck here.
Pause here.
At least I got better. At least I got some photograph.
Yeah.
I'll see you next week, girl. It's quite chilly here. I'll have to tell her to pick hello to Arizona.
Pause video. I head off then, yeah.
You go down to the stand, Patrick, and get shots of those posters, okay?
Okay. Pause video.
Yeah, post it now. Yeah.